cái lưỡi cưa quả cái bể á, lắng vào lên mắt á.
That's it? Cut lang?
Lalagyan ng patchen.
Lagi ba? Yung cut lang
Wala
nila.
kang kapal table dyan, bigyan mo siyang table, lagyan ng gamit pa parang di masira yung aircon.
That's what happened. They put drainage for the water. Ooh.
No fish there?
There's no fish that were there, Jeremy. There's no fish. Yeah. Is it all right? I took video. Your family will see my YouTube. It's okay? Because I have YouTube channel and this is entire world. And your family can see.
Why is it here?
Yeah.
What?
And then your mother will say, oh, my son working in Australia. What happened? See? Do you have YouTube? You have YouTube? You don't have YouTube? And this one, you have YouTube? You have YouTube? No? How old are you? How? 18? Ah. Ah, you're the same age of my daughter. This one 18 too. 19. Ah, they can apply YouTube channel because already above 18. Yeah. You can make money in YouTube. You can make money.
We don't know the internet map.
Oh, that's very simple. Simple to apply. There is social media. YouTube, Facebook. You know that one? Facebook. Oh. I have TikTok, but you have YouTube channel. No? That one good.
YouTube channel.
I have YouTube channel. Yeah.
How many?
Subscribers? Nearly 6,000.
Oh, 6,000.
Yeah.
I have 30,000.
30,000?
Yeah.
Oh, that's very good. I'm just starting. That's very good. You get money from that? Not yet. Not yet. You need to continue. What? No, you just continue until you reach 100, 200,000, and then you can apply for monetization. Monetization. You need to apply that one. Yeah, as long as you can get the all requirements. Yeah.
But now I forget my YouTube.
You forgot. Oh, your subscribers are plenty already.
Before I think I do the YouTube channel,
Yeah.
but I don't know how to cut a video.
There is an app.
Up.
Oh, use it. Nice, girl. At last, finish na.
You're the same.
Wow. Hindi bricks.
Why put the cement?
Para dili mapaan ng water. Ang ganda, no? Wow. Tapos na talaga ang retaining wall na pinagawa na ganda, oh. Wow. Ilipot cement sa middle. All the way good there. Salted cherry.
Ito yung dirty.
Dirt yan. Thank you, Lord. Natapos na. Si basura ay. Basura. Alis ka dyan na.